Hey, what's up? I'm Hershey Renee from Keep It City, the new host of this hot show. And we coming to you with the new thing for Chicago. I got a lot of artists for y'all.
What's up, Chicago? We keeping it city. This is Vanessa Fraction from Movie Barbershop 2.
I'm with Stephanie Parker, the winner of Chicago Idol, and I'm just here to say, girl, you can blow.
Thank you very much.
Hey, what's up? This your girl Hershey Renee from D-Love TV, and I'm with Kindred, the family of soul. And if I must say so myself, y'all do got a lot of soul. I love y'all music. Hey, what's up? This your girl Hershey Renee from Keep It City, and I'm coming to you live from Cisco's Music World, and I'm here with Lily and Cisco. Okay, what's up? This your girl Hershey Renee from Keep It City, and I'm coming at you with Nick Cannon. Now we know you got a new hit single out. Tell us a little bit about that.
The new single is called Dime Piece, and we searching throughout America for the new hot dime piece, the perfect package.
Hey, what's up, y'all? It's Hershey Renee from Keep It City, and I have our special guest, H-Town. Why don't y'all introduce yourselves to our Keep It City fans?
Hey, what's up, Chi-Town? It's G.I. H-Town, you know.
And yo, what up? This is Shazam.
So just give me a little background. When did y'all start to love music? When did y'all have your...
When I was in the womb, you know. No, serious though. Pops used to put on earphones when my mom snored.
Are you serious?
So ever since I was prenatal, I was loving music, yeah.
Cisco's Music World is the largest independent retailer on the music side in the city of Chicago, and it's located in the south suburbs, 3312 West 183rd Street.
Yeah, come holler at me at the Blaze. My name Jaime. We got the hottest stuff on the hip-hop stores. We got a lot of Jabos. We carry a lot of Nietzsche, Sean John, and Zure. We got hottest Timberlands for ladies and mans. You need to holler at me. I'm on 183rd in Pulaski.
Hey, it's your boy Oscar D again, D-Love TV. You just heard from our girl, Hershey Renee. Not only is she a D-Love Records recording artist, but also the host of the new show, Keep It City, the #1 show in the Chicagoland area now. I just wanted to let you know that those sponsors and as well as those investors, if you're interested, go and email us at administrate, ADMIN, DLoveRecords.com. And you can also go to the website, that's www.dloverecords.com, and check us out. We'll get back with you. It's your boy Oscar D. I'll holler with you. Peace.
I ain't going nowhere.